Hello, and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video tutorial. This is Kaelyn, and today we're going to be making some adorable homemade ornaments using our Christmas music papers and Hometown Christmas mini books available in our Etsy shop. I'll walk you through step by step how I made each of these so that you can make your own. So for our first ornament, we're going to begin by printing out the song Jingle Bells, front and back, on paper. This is from our Christmas music papers. And then I cut mine into small strips and curled them. And I cut mine using this paper trimmer, but you could use scissors, that's just fine. And then to curl them, I have a little example strip here. We're just gonna start at the bottom of the strip and pull away from ourselves. And that will give you a little curl. So I'm going to start with this title here. I made sure to cut that out separate. And I'm going to tape it together. And this is going to go inside of our ornament. Just like that. And then I'm going to add a couple of bells, because it's Jingle Bells, it just felt like it was fitting. And then also a few of our music strips. And I've also printed out one of our Hometown Christmas mini books. We're going to be using these in all of our ornaments today. They're super cute. And those are also available in our Etsy shop. And lastly, I'm going to be adding a little bit of this snow. Most of these items I purchased at the dollar store. And I'm gonna sneak in one more bell. And I'm gonna close up my ornament. And to finish it off, I've got this cute little bow that I'm going to tuck in through the top and secure. And there we go. Our first super cute little Jingle Bells themed ornament. For our next ornament, we're going to be using another one of the Hometown Christmas mini books, along with some bits of holly berries and some pine. These are all just like fake material that I got again at the dollar store. You could probably get similar items on Amazon as well. And I'm going to begin by adding in these items here. As well as my book. Actually, I think I'm going to add in my snow first, and then we'll finish with the book. There it goes. Give it a little shake to kind of mix things up. And there is our next ornament. I'm also going to add this little topper like I did with the last one. And for this, I got this piece at the dollar store. And then I spray painted it with just a little bit of white spray paint to give it a snowy effect. And I added a little cream bow in the middle, and I just glued that on using Fabri-Tac. I did that off camera, so it had a little bit of time to dry. Go ahead and trim the excess here. And there is our next ornament. Super simple. For our third ornament, we're going to be using another one of our Hometown Christmas mini books, some small bows, and some fake snow. To start, I'm going to open up the ornament into halves and add in a few bows. I made sure to take the backs off of these bows just so that they would look a little bit nicer, just pulled them off. And I left one with the sticky tab on. I'm gonna add in a little bit of our snow. And of course, our mini book. Close it up and give it a little shake. Kind of spread things around a little. And then I'm going to add this last bow to the top. This will go right at the top of our ornament, like it's a little gift. And that's it for our third ornament. All right, so for our last Christmas ball, this one's gonna be a little bit more involved, but I'll show you step by step how I've done it. So this happened by accident. I was trying to clean a little bit of residue off the bottom of this ornament with some Citra Solv, and I realized that it started frosting the glass. So I went ahead and did it to the whole ornament, and sorry, I think I said glass, plastic. I went ahead and did that to the whole ornament to get this frosted look. And to begin, we're going to start by adding in this little sprig here. Again, this is just greenery that I've given a little bit of white spray paint to it to make it look wintry. So tuck that in here. And then I've also got this string of little pearls, and I'm going to cut off some of those. Tuck them in. And then here I've taken the last of our mini books from our Hometown Christmas selection, and I attached some of my pearls to them using some Fabri-Tac glue. And I just made sure to hold that in there with the book open until it dried so that the pages wouldn't glue closed and so that it would be secure. And I think I made my string a little bit long, so I'm going to cut it shorter. And I'll add the rest of these pearls into my ornament. And then I have this little tea light that I got. I'm going to turn it on and tuck it in here. This is going to be the only one of our ornaments that will be relatively easy to open and close, so you can actually take it out and turn it off when you are done with it. So nestle him in there. Close it up. I think it just has such a cute look with the frosted plastic. And then I'm going to also tuck in to the bottom here the bottom pearl, or the top pearl, on my little book string. Tuck that in there closed. So now it kind of hangs free out of the ornament. And then to finish it off, I'm going to glue this little bow that I got at the dollar store. Again, some of these items you could probably get similar looking ones on Amazon. And I want to make sure that I glue it right on the front so that this can still open up. I'm going to hold this until it dries. All right, so that has had a chance to dry. I think it's just so cute, and you can see that this will hang free, so it would hang on the tree a little bit like this. And I could even take a couple more of these out. I feel like this is maybe a little bit long, so you could shorten it or however long you'd like it, and it just tucks into the bottom there. So that is it for our final ornament. And that's it for our homemade Christmas ornaments. I hope you guys enjoyed following along today, and I hope you learned a couple things for making your own Christmas ornaments. Can't wait to see what you create, and I hope that you all have a Merry Christmas.